Give it to me like.
Hi guys, so today we are doing a day to nighttime look, and this is the daytime and this is the nighttime look. So first off, I'm just going with some True Match. This is in the shade Vanilla, and I just want a light kind of base. I don't want it too heavy, so we're just going in with this, and I'm just blending this in with my foundation brush. Now I'm just going in with the Fenty Beauty concealer. Not too sure what shade this is, but I will leave it all in the description, and I'm just putting this in the areas where I want some more coverage. And I'm just blending this in with a little eyeshadow brush. Now I'm just going in with the Peaches and Cream setting powder, and I'm just going to set this under my eyes with the Oh Pretty little powder puff here. These are amazing. If you have not tried them, then you definitely need to. They give more coverage as well, and they are fab. And I'm just giving a little light dust in here all over my face with the Halo Glow powder by e.l.f. Here we're going in with the Wedding Wish palette by P. Louise. This palette is absolutely stunning. And the first shade that I'm going in with is the shade Loyalty, and I'm just setting the lids. This is the daytime look, so I'm not going too crazy with the eyes. So we're just going in with the shade called Yearning, and we're just putting this all over the eyelids. Because this is a daytime look, I'm just going pretty simple. Didn't want to go too out there with like colours and stuff, so we're just keeping this simple and we're keeping it light pink. Then I'm just going to put a little bit of mascara here. This is what I would generally do if I was just doing like a basic quick day look. And I'm just going to put a little bit of blush. This is the blush from Primark, and I think it's called Darling. And this is a little lip balm as well from Real Love Revolution, and this is my daytime look. I have also went in with a little nude liner here as well, as you guys can see. I'm going to transform this into a nighttime look, and I am just darkening up that outer crease with the shade Treasure You in the same palette. So I am going in pretty heavy with this shade, and I am making sure that it is pretty noticeable that I'm doing just basically a dark pink cut crease. Don't know if I was too sure on these lashes at first, but they turned out fab. So I'm just going in with some of these Prima lashes. Again, I'll leave it all linked in the description for you guys. And I'm just applying these. These were quite dramatic, but I was kind of feeling it at the point in time. These stuck down fantastic. I'm also just going in with a black liner this time instead of the nude liner. And I'm just going in with a little bit more bronzer. This is just your Hoola bronzer from Benefit. And I'm going in with more blush just to make this a wee bit more colourful. And this one I'm not too sure the name of, but it is from Baked Face Cosmetics. They are on TikTok and they're fantastic. I have done a little video. So this is the blusher that I'm putting on just now. Then I'm just going to do a little sort of light nude colour on the lips, and this one is called Pink Mauve, and I'm just going to with this on the lips. Again, this lip gloss is by Baked Face Cosmetics. Just adding a little bit of a highlight here. This is the Like a Diamond one by Doll Beauty, and I'm just putting that on my face as well, just giving it a little glow. And this is the nighttime glam look. So definitely more sort of out there eye look, but absolutely love this. Please stay tuned for more if you like it.